Hello friends, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today I am telling you types of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are of four types, generally on the basis of 9th and 10th standard. Chemical reactions are of four types. First is combination reaction, second decomposition reaction, third displacement reaction, fourth double displacement reactions. So these reactions, first I am making a chart to explain all these types. So topic is types of chemical reaction, and after chart I will explain you each type of reaction one by one. So chemical reaction. Chemical reactions generally are of four types. First is combination reaction. Combination reaction. First is combination reaction. Second is opposite of combination reaction, and opposite of combination reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Now decomposition reaction are of three type. First, decomposition reaction are of three type. First, photo decomposition. Reaction. Second, thermal decomposition. Reaction. And third is electrolytic decomposition reaction. After this, it's four type. Double displacement reaction. Also, double displacement reaction are of two types. First is precipitation reaction. Second, neutralization reaction. So double displacement reaction are of two type. First, precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. And second is neutralization reaction. First is precipitation reaction, second is neutralization reaction. Student, I am telling you all points again. Chemical reaction are of two types. First, combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. Fourth, double displacement reaction. After this, decomposition reaction are of three types. Photo decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction, Double displacement reaction are of two types. Number one, precipitation reaction. Number two, neutralization reaction. Now we will discuss each type one by one. Okay, students, we will discuss each type one by one. First stage, we will discuss each type one by one. First, I am telling you combination reaction. What is combination reaction? What is combination reaction? So first I am telling you combination reaction. Due to some problem, I have to manage things. So I am telling you first combination reaction. Actually, to make a proper work or proper lecture, a lot of hard work is needed. So students, first I am telling you combination reaction. Combination reaction. Now question is, what is combination reaction? When two or more substance combine, when two or more substance combine and form single substance, it's called combination reaction. A reaction in which two or more substance combine and form single substance is called combination reaction. For example, definition clear? When two first substance A, second substance B, when two or more substance combine to form single substance, we can take here two substance, we can also take more substance. When two or more substance combine and form single substance, it's called combination reaction. Example, carbon burn in air to form carbon dioxide, sulfur burn in air to form sulfur dioxide, iron sulfide is formed by the reaction of iron and sulfur. So we can say again, iron react with sulfur powder to form iron sulfide. Carbon monoxide react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. 2CO plus O2 gives 2CO2. Okay, students. So next point is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? Decomposition, meaning of decomposition is breaking. Meaning of decomposition is breaking. So what is decomposition reaction? Those reaction in which a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substance. It's called decomposition reaction. Again listen. Those reaction in which a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substance is called decomposition reaction. Okay, so look here. This is a single compound. It breaks down into two or more simpler substance. Those reaction in which a single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substance is called decomposition reaction. Example, when we heat calcium carbonate, then we get calcium oxide CaO. When we remove from it CaO, then we get here CO2. So we can say those reaction in which single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substance, it's called decomposition reaction. When we heat calcium carbonate, then it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now I am telling you types of decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are of three types. Student, I am telling you in a simple way, decomposition reaction are of three types. Number one, photo decomposition reaction. Photo means light. Decomposition reaction which take place by light. It's called decomposition reaction which take place by light. It's called photo decomposition reaction. Look here. Photo means light decomposition reaction which take place by light. It's called photo decomposition reaction. Example: when silver chloride is placed in sunlight, when silver chloride is placed in sunlight, then it decomposes to give silver, gray color silver, and chlorine gas. Okay, other example: when silver bromide is placed on sunlight, then it decomposes to give silver, gray color silver, and bromine. These are used, silver chloride, silver bromide are used in black and white photography. Next is, first is photo decomposition reaction, second is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means heat. Thermal means heat. Decomposition reaction which take place by heat. It's called thermal decomposition reaction. For example, when we heat copper carbonate, then we get copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Other example, when we heat calcium carbonate, when we heat calcium carbonate, then we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Third is, this is the second thermal decomposition reaction. Third is electrolytic decomposition reaction. What is electrolytic decomposition reaction? Decomposition of a substance bypassing electric current is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. When, for example, when electricity is passed in sodium chloride solution, when electricity is passed sodium chloride solution, it decomposes to give sodium metal and chlorine gas. Other example is, when electricity is passed in acidified water solution, means a small amount of acid mixed in water. When electricity is passed in acidified water solution, it decomposes to give hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Okay, after this, next topic is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Third point is displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Question may be come in board exam in this way. Explain displacement reaction with example. On the basis of name is clear. Displacement reaction means those reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive element from its salt solution. It's called displacement reaction. Listen once again. Those reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive element from its salt solution. It's called displacement reaction. Look here. Copper sulfate. When zinc react with copper sulfate, then zinc displace copper. We get zinc sulfate and copper. Again we take zinc is more reactive, so zinc displace copper from copper sulfate solution. We get zinc sulfate and copper. Next example. Iron react with blue color copper sulfate solution. Iron is more reactive, displace copper from copper sulfate solution. We get iron sulfate and copper because iron sulfate is more reactive. Okay students, next is a double displacement reaction. Double, from the name is clear, double means two. Fourth point is double, from the name it is clear, double means two. Double means two, those reaction in which two compound react to form two new compound. Those reaction in which two compound react to form two new compound by mutually exchange of ion is called double displacement reaction. Those reaction in which two compound react those reaction in which two compound react to form two new compound by mutually exchange of ions is called double displacement reaction. For example, barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. For example, barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. Then 2Na and 2Cl combine to form 2NaCl, and white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Okay, what is double displacement reaction? Those reaction in which two compound react to form two new compound by mutually exchange of ions. Look here. This is positive ion, this is negative ion. Positive, negative. Exchange of ions means positive combined with negative. Ba combined with SO4 to form white precipitate of barium sulfate. And 2Na positive combined with free negative. 2Na and 2Cl combined to form 2NaCl. Those reaction in which two compound, one compound, two compound react to form 1 plus 1, two new compound by mutually exchange of ions. This is positive ion, cation, negative ion, anion. Now type of double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction are of two type. First is precipitation reaction, second is neutralization reaction. First is precipitation reaction. These are of two type. These reactions are of two type. Okay, these reactions are of two type. First is precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. And second is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Now question is, what is precipitation reaction? Those reaction in which, what is precipitation reaction? Those reaction in which aqueous solution of two substance react to form insoluble compound. It's called precipitation reaction. Those reaction in which aqueous solution of two substance react to form insoluble compound is called precipitation reaction. Look here, this is aqueous, this is also aqueous. Those reaction in which aqueous solution of two substance react to form insoluble compound is called precipitation reaction. Example, aqueous solution of barium chloride react with aqueous solution of sodium sulfate to form insoluble compound barium sulfate, white precipitate of barium sulfate. Okay. Next point is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Now question is, what is neutralization reaction? Acid react with base to form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Look here. Acid react with base to form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Example of acid HCl, base is NaOH. So look here, acid react with base to form NaNCl combined to form salt NaCl, sodium chloride, H and OH combined to form water. Again last time, though neutralization reaction, a reaction in which acid react with base to form salt and water. It's called neutralization reaction. Student, I hope that after seeing this video, you can learn all types of chemical reactions. So share this video to your friends, like this video, subscribe my channel. Okay, students.